This is a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and new brakes. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, automatic locking wheel hubs, 17-inch wheels, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, chrome bumpers, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, a passenger side airbag, and this vehicle has fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Five Star Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 6618 Northeast Loop 820 at Roof Snow in North Richland Hills.